For decades, we've gazed at Mars. But what if the real secrets lie not on the red planet itself, but orbiting it? Imagine advanced beings, long ago, seeking refuge on Phobos and Deimos. This isn't science fiction. It's a deep dive into the compelling and perhaps unsettling possibilities of ancient civilizations hiding in plain sight. The story begins not with a discovery, but with a question. What if a civilization doesn't just vanish but moves? Imagine a thriving Martian society, billions of years ago. A civilization facing an unavoidable existential catastrophe, a dying atmosphere, a devastating impact, a climate spiraling out of control. They couldn't stay, but where could they go? This brings us to the Mars-Moons hypothesis. The theory teases the idea that an advanced Martian civilization, faced with extinction, undertook one final, desperate act of survival. They didn't travel to another star, they moved next door. They used the small, unassuming moons Phobos and Deimos as life rafts. These tiny, often overlooked bodies might hold secrets far grander and more ancient than we can possibly imagine. Is such an escape plausible? We only have to look at our own world to see the motivation. Civilizations on Earth have faced existential threats, and we ourselves are grappling with climate change. Now, imagine a threat on a planetary scale. A slow, agonizing death of a planet's biosphere would provide a powerful incentive, and potentially millennia of warning, for an advanced civilization to plan a monumental migration. The goal wouldn't be comfort, but survival at any cost. At first glance, Phobos and Deimos seem like the worst possible places for refuge. They're small, airless, pockmarked rocks. But that seemingly inhospitable nature could be a deceptive facade. Their small size and low gravity would make construction and launching spacecraft incredibly easy for an advanced race. More importantly, they could provide a natural shield. By burrowing deep inside the moons, a civilization could protect itself from the harsh solar radiation that now scours the Martian surface. Even their mysterious origins play into this theory. We're still not sure if they are captured asteroids or chunks of Mars itself. If they are captured asteroids, they could be rich in water, ice, and metals. If they are fragments of Mars, they are literally pieces of the old Martian home, perhaps brought into orbit for the express purpose of becoming a new one. Their unique characteristics are what make them such tantalizing, if unlikely, candidates for a hidden haven. This is where we move from pure speculation to science. We are actively looking. Japan's MMX mission is on its way to Phobos right now. Its goal is to land, collect a sample, and return it to Earth. If there are any artificial structures or non-natural isotopes buried in the regolith, this mission could be the one to find the first definitive proof. What else could we look for? Hypothetically, we could search for anomalous heat signatures coming from the moon's interiors, which might suggest active power sources. We could look for repeating radio signals, however faint. We could even look for unnatural surface features, straight lines, right angles, or metallic glints that have no geological explanation. The difficulty is immense. These moons are small, dark, and far away, but new observational technologies could one day give us the resolution we need to find a needle in this cosmic haystack. The implications of discovering something, anything, on Phobos or Deimos would be the single greatest discovery in human history. It would prove that life is not unique to Earth, that consciousness has arisen at least twice in our own solar system. It would force us to confront a universe far stranger and more populated than we ever imagined. But it also raises deep ethical and philosophical questions. How would humanity react? How would we approach a civilization that has been in hiding for eons? The search for these answers is a fundamental part of the human spirit, our enduring curiosity about our place in the cosmos. The dark, mysterious moons of Mars may hold the key, reminding us that, sometimes, the greatest secrets are hidden in the most unexpected of places. Thank you for watching.